Brittany here, and welcome to my new studio. It's been a long process getting things all set up again the way I liked it. The layout is a little bit different, so I was sort of trying to do it the way I had it before, and it just wasn't working, so kind of frustrating, but I think we got it all kind of figured out. So I got my bulletin board back, I got my dress form, she's in the corner there, the mirror is on the door, but pretty much everything's in here. I've got some stuff that's on the floor that, I'll show you, stuff that I'm going to put on Etsy or sell. So right now it's just nice and tidy actually. I had to put this desk in front of the window just because I have to have those 3 walls for stuff because my ironing board is so long. I am having trouble doing my iron. That will have to go up there pretty soon because I will need it definitely. Machine is all set up, transferred safely, which is what I wanted. I've got more books to look at and an old sign that I used for a show that I just really liked, and even though, you know, it's not it's covered by the Barbie, but it's not my correct logo anymore. I just really like that because that's my sister there, that's me, and that's someone I did a dress for a photo shoot. But yeah, just got lots of my books here. You can take a closer look. I've got some fashion illustrations, some business books, my sketch portfolios. Profit First is a good one. Right there goes Pumpkin Plan, which is from the same author. Really good business books for sure. I got a nice vintage details book. Yeah, just this is stuff from this book has gotten me through some tight spots for sure. I got it while I was in school. This book here and this one, I'm really excited to get into and do some projects with for you guys maybe too. Those are some old school books. This was my old branding course. I will actually talk about that later, but yeah, just some coffee table books, draping book. That's a really good one. I think it's by Carolyn Kiesel, I think. There, okay. But you know, just books that I've collected over the years that I just find really necessary and I go back to from time to time. Got my old patterns out here, the old Barbie illustration pictures. And yeah, I just really went through a huge purge of fabric and everything. Everything is jam-packed in this closet still. I'm planning to sell some more dresses, but you know, there's a lot of stuff in there, and it is kind of a smaller closet than I had before. So there. The only other thing that's not in this room, which is obviously my cutting table, which is so large that it had to be dismantled and put back together here, so it is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. So that was a big deal and required a lot of assistance. So that's set up just right outside the room, and it's pretty much just the same. And really liking it, really liking how bright it is in here. It's going to be good for photo shoots, which I'm excited to do, and yeah, just get back into it. I've got a couple projects to do, but I've yet to even sew in this room yet. So I've got some fabric being delivered hopefully today, and you know, I saw the UPS driver drive by, but I went downstairs and he left someone else's notice, so I'm hoping he comes back. First time having something delivered by UPS here, so put back my grandma's photo, my patterns. Yeah, everything's looking really nice. Serger, all my current fabric rolls there. Transported those nicely. Yeah, the only thing left is this iron problem. So yeah, Now I'd like to ask you guys a big favor. I have a vision for my business and I keep trying different things until something will work for me. As it is right now, it's a lot of work for one person, and I'm not in the position to be able to get help in the manufacturing area. There's just a lot involved with that. Doing bridesmaids this year, I really became aware of that, and it's almost like let's go back to the drawing board, which sucks, but it happens, and you move on. Business is a learning experience for sure. I believe I've come up with a pretty cool solution though, something that is going to make it easier for myself, be fun for you guys. It's pretty much a product design for you guys, for sure. This all came about because I've been retaking this branding course that I did 2 years ago. And last week I put out a poll that asked who would be interested in doing a video course on pattern making or sewing, and the response was pretty great. So now I'd like to go a little further, go deeper and get to know you, my audience, a little bit better, and create something I know you're gonna love. So if this sounds like something you'd be into, I've created a survey, and there's a pretty awesome prize pack of some of my favorite sewing goodies and merch from the merch store, worth about $100 or so pretty good. And that's going to be up for grabs for anyone who graciously fills out this survey. And to do so, all you have to do is head to my website. I've made a one-page there with just a form to put in your email, and you'll be sent the link to the survey right away. So a link to my website, elysedonedesigns.com, is down below and will be at the end screen of this video. So you will have to enter your email to get it. That's just so I can contact you in case you do win, and let you know of any updates on the project, plus a possible pre-release testing opportunities. So, and things like that, just to keep you informed. You'll be like the first to know when this is all ready. I'm really excited to start on this, but I just need that insight into, you guys. So I can't wait to hear from you all, and I will talk to you next time. I hope you enjoyed seeing my new place, my new work area, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!